So sa mga nagsisimula magnegosyo, you always start with the product. Ang mali ng marami, nagsisimula sila sa sales and marketing, paano gagawa ng pera, paano magbenta, basa sila ng basa ng mga libro na hindi naman nila kayang i-apply. So you make a list of the products that you love, mga produktong gusto mong gamitin. That way, mas madali mo siyang maiwa-market and it will be sustainable for you because you are already using the products. You can simply create content around it and once na pumutok na yung negosyo, na scale mo na yung negosyo, you can go back to this video kasi tuturo ko rin sa inyo paano mag-expand, mag-scale, or mag-reinvest sa iba pang negosyo. Or you can create a product from a demand. Meaning, you find a problem right now that you can solve. Because always remember that business is not about money, it is about value. And value is being able to solve problems. So the more na marami kang nasosolusyon ng problema, the more na mas malaki yung pwede mong kitain.